Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw cherries. So let's get started. First, draw a circle. Slowly. With a little space here. Then another circle. Slowly. With a little space too. Then draw a curve here. And here too. A line outwards and downwards. Just following with me. And here will be like this. Then draw the leaf. And the line inside. The other side too, the same. Now draw the eyes, a big circle. And the other cherry too. Inside with a smaller circle. And the other side too. Then draw the details. And the mouth. And now we have cherries. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching if you love it. Please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.